Yo guys, my name is Ahmad Syamil bin Ahmad Nasir.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Muhammad Azim bin Wan Sapian Suri. Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Abdullah.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syakir Daniel bin Hanifah.
Yo guys, so today we're gonna present an important topic from differentiation, which is related rates. So what is related rates and how can we apply it in real life situation? So without wasting your time, let's go.
And there are few famous figures that introduce the related rates. Okay, the first one is Reverend William Ritchie. Reverend William Ritchie is a professor of natural philosophy, and he is responsible for the first published related rates problem that was found in a textbook he wrote called as Principle of the Differential and Integral Calculus. It's thought to be to simplify the presentation of calculus. And the second one is James Connell LLD. James Connell LLD is a calculus reformer, and he wrote a textbook that would help students and teachers better understand calculus purpose, and he wanted to achieve this by going back to Newtonian rules of calculus, and he introduced the instantaneous rates. He also wrote many related rates problems in his textbook. And the last figure is J. Minot Rice and W. Wolsey Johnson. They are enthusiastic calculus reformers. In their text they created, they used 26 different related rates problems. They were inspired by Ritchie. After the work was published by this man, there were more and more related rates found in their textbook. Related rates were being taught everywhere in other countries. What's the point of related rates? As stated before, related rates were created to simplify the presentation of differentiable calculus, and they teach how to find solutions using given information. Some believe that related rates are irrelevant in calculus and are too complex for the contemporary student. Related rates are slowly becoming less and less popular among the student and the lecturer.
So that is the introduction about it. Let's continue to the problem within this topic. But before that, the subdivision will be rock.
One day, a boy was holding a big sundae cone, and he was about to fill the container with vanilla ice cream. The filling was so long, then the boy felt curious about the speed of the sundae cone be filled. Help the boy to solve his problem.
Oh, that's burdensome problem. But don't worry, we got a solution to the problem. So make sure to take your note.
I will explain about what to solve on title related rates. First, we need to know in related rates application, we try to find the rate at which one quantity is changing by relating it to other quantities with no rate of change. The rate of change is usually expressed with respect to time, dx over dt. The procedure is first we need to identify the rate of change that are known and the rate of change that is to be found. And second, we need to construct a formula. The formula or equation that relate the variable in. And third, we need to differentiate both sides of equation. And fourth, we need to substitute all the known terms. And last, solve the unknown.
Okay, alright.
So I will tell about application of differentiation with letter rates. We take the important point. So first, you can see that as a radius 5 cm, 20 cm height water, this 20 cm water flows into the tank at a rate of 4 cm square, 4 cm cube as power of negative 1. It means this is cm square dv, cm cube dv, and as negative 1 is dt. How fast is the radius changing? Fast is the radius changing is fast dr over dt. dr is radius and dt is fast. Changing, we put d for changing. At an extent when height of the water is 6 cm means h, 6 cm is h. We put into the calculation. So first we got dv over dt equal to 4. We got we find the fast of the radius changing, dr over dt equal to and last h equal to 6. Alright. So first we find the r and h. 5 over 20 equal to 5 is r and 20 is height, r over height. Okay, first we got 5h equals to 20r and h equals to 4r. Alright, so we just put 6 into h and we got 6 equal to 4r and r equal to 3 over 2. Alright, and 1 point we got h equals to 6. This is our first calculation, and then we find the volume. Because we got dv over dt, so we got dt, and now we find dv over dr, so we got dr. We find volume. This one is the volume of cone is 1 over 3 pi r power of 2 square h, and we got h equals to 4r, means 1 over 3 pi r square 4r. Right. Then we got v equals to 4 pi r cube over 3. This is our volume, and we want to find dv over dr first. So our dv over dr, we just differentiate our volume. dv over dr equals to 3 we go to front, so 3, 4 pi r, 3 we minus 1, so we got 2 over 3. And we got dv over dr equals to 4 pi r square. Alright, we got dv first. We see that we got dv over dr, and we got dv over dt, and we find dr over dt. You see, dr and dt for dt. Now we just put into our solution. This is second equation, and last equation we find dr over dt equals to dv over dt multiplied by the, we want to put out dv, so dr over dv. You see that if we cut this, we got dr over dt 6. So we just put the into this our formula. dr over dt equals to dv over dt is 4 multiplied by dr over dv. We just put dv over dr 4 pi r square, and we just take 1 over, means 1 over 4 pi r square. Alright, just clear, and we got 1 over pi r square, and we just put r over r. You see that r and our dr g over t, just put it as 1 over pi 3 over 2 square, and the last answer we got 4 over 9 pi centimeter second the power of negative 1. That's all.
After all, the problem wasn't really hard, right? So we hope you got better understanding to this topic. So let's jump to the conclusion. Filters are very important in the application of differentiation. There are many benefits in studying letter rates. It had ingenious work indisputably, and it is a root part in solving minimum and maximum problems. Letter rates also helps you to get a better grip to the other subtopic of differentiation. The problem that we discussed earlier is easy to solve, but it needs concentration and focus on the information given. We hope our presentation helps you to get better understanding to this topic. Thank you.